Hey guys, live here. We're not on a speakeasy, we're in my office. We're going to talk quickly about, we got a storm boot camp coming up next week. We got a lot of exciting things. If you see behind me, now we've been doing these solar boot camps, as you guys know. And the storm guys are like, dude, you're always talking about solar. What happened to storm? So I was like, let's bring the storm back.
Storm boot camp.
Let's bring the storm. The people talk storm. It's not always about solar, although sometimes storm leads into solar, as we're going to find out. But guys, not this week, but next week, Friday and Saturday, October 1st and 2nd, Storm Boot Camp, first of its kind here in Scottsdale, Arizona. Hell of a lineup of players. If you look behind me, Brian Arnold, Evan Wolf, myself, Derek Klein, Kimber Garcia, Stram Suthers, Kevin O'Neill, and Jason Berg. And the focus of next week is for anybody that wants to move into and start talking to large loss, commercial building owners, REITs, HOAs, risk and facility managers, people with big buildings that got big roofs, how to sell them, how to market it, how to close them, and what are they interested in? How do we get at the table? How do we get their attention? And how do we get those roofs put on? And how do we make money and save them money? And it leads into a whole lot of things on the commercial side, as we're going to get into. So also we're going to talk about, there's different players coming about talking about the multi-million dollar producer mindset, which is why we're bringing some of the top sales producers in that often sit on our WTS panels, because sometimes we get honed down and think in terms of owners. We forget about the people on the streets that are actually generating these deals. And so we have a real fun weekend plan next week, guys. It kicks off Friday and Saturday, so you guys can finish your work week. We got a Camelback mountain hike Friday morning. We have a networking night at my house Friday night, which is kind of fun. If you haven't been to one, we got flamethrowers, stuff like that. Complimentary lunch, dinner, drinks. It's a lot of fun, a lot of network. A lot of people come and have a lot of fun, but we do learn a lot. And we do it in a very short time. We don't want to seminar people to death. I don't think people should be sitting in a conference or seminar in the middle of storm season for 8 hours a day. So you'll notice the time schedule are 11 to 5, 10 to 5. The smart kind of people that come to these things, they pick up quick. They don't need to take notes. And we bring the players in to allow others to learn by osmosis and share stories. But just to give you an idea who's going to be speaking next week, Jason Berg, buddy of mine, I've known him now for 15 years. Founder and CEO of Commercial Restoration Network. He's going to discuss how to market, sell, and close REITs, investment bankers, Fortune 500 companies, as well as facility risk managers. He's got a lot of, I think last year he closed close to $60 million with some of his partners like CMR and some other folks in terms of real large loss stuff there in Florida and some other states. He's got 30 years industry experience. Brian Arnold is a top sales producer, not an owner. And sometimes you got to get the top sales producer on the streets. Brian Arnold's been a WTS panelist 3-4 years in a row now. And he's, I think he's sold over 40 HOAs, which is a very niche market that he goes after. We go after commercial building, he goes after the HOAs. He's very good at it. How does he market them? How does he sell them? How does he close them? It's not just ABC, always be closing. It starts with a marketing approach. He's going to share that with the group and give some tips and tricks to save you a lot of time and energy to do the things that work and to skip the things that don't. I got a lot of respect for Brian. I've seen him grow over the last couple of years, and he's actually going to be a panelist at WTS again this year, but he's going to be a moderator. So he's going to moderate all the other million dollar producers. And you know, Brian sold as a sales associate over $10 million last year and made over $1 million. And I'll tell you, a lot of companies don't do that. So he's someone company owners could learn from. His niche is HOA. Me, I'll come back to me in a minute. I'll save myself for last. We got Derek Klein coming in. I know you guys know Derek from Hail Trace. He's got some new advanced storm technology that he's launching. He's going to unveil some of this stuff next week. Why is that important for the $1 million producer mindset? Because if you can teach your guys how to go after the right areas after storms and not waste their time, their buy ratio, their success ratio will be much greater at inking deals, getting insurance company approvals, than if you just send the barbarian horde out without any analysis. So he's going to share some new things. He's got some new stuff that hasn't been unleashed before next week at Storm Boot Camp. Kimber Garcia, I know a lot of you guys know Kimba. She has a great program to share how she uses SOPs, KPIs, and recruiting techniques to build and retain $1 million producers, and I think that's important, both on residential and commercial. Sam Struthers, what's up, Sam? CO Crest Exteriors, I've watched Sam grow over the years. He used to be an insurance adjuster back in the day. I don't know if you guys knew that. Now he's a contractor. But he's built a hell of a team in several states of $1 million producers and really has a culture. They call it the Crest Hustle. He's going to share some information with folks on that, how to build a team of $1 million producers. Evan Wolf, Paul's Fielder attorney, has worked closely with Brian Arnold on some of the large loss claims and HOAs that he's dealt with, and he's going to share information really how to speed up the claims process and then build out your industry Rolodex with the right players to make sure those insurance companies pay faster, which is important because they like to play the slow game on large loss. Kevin O'Neill is another WTS multi-million-dollar producer panelist, going to come in and share some information about how he has become a $1 million producer here in the last few years and how he expects to continue that. So, this isn't just for owners, guys. It's owners, general managers, sales managers. If you're a top sales producer, you'll have something to learn at this event.
Definitely want to be here for this event.
So I'm thinking, I've recruited, trained, hundreds of $1 million producers over the years in this industry and now here in the world of digital marketing and film in my own office. There's a lot of crossover with what Sam and Kimbo would cover. So I want to do something new.